Some bitch out there screaming down the street she needs some crack and shit. I'm gonna near the bitch. Shit. Especially if you're a YouTube blogger. Oh man, you guys are fucking rich. They're getting more than $5,000 to $10,000 a month and shit. This motherfucker raped me. Damn, bitch. Just so you get some more crack and smoke this shit up? What the fuck? Go get the ingredients. You could have like went somewhere and got your own money. How much crack you smoke, bitch? Ain't no police following your nasty ass around, probably running around taking shits in the fucking alleyway with your stinking ass. They don't want to smell you, bitch. So fucking stupid. Hearing people cheering and shit like that. Yay, the Kings won tonight. Want my motherfucking money. Bow, bow, bow. I don't give a fuck about no werewolf.